Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the inaugural 2017 IPWEA Australasia Excellence Awards. The 2017 finalists for Best Public Works Project under 2 million are Dubbo Regional Council for the Drift Wells. This unique project involved repurposing a former industrial site into a parkland, featuring 2 large diameter drift wells of historic significance to Dubbo. Sumner Road Retaining Wall Stage 4, Christchurch City Council. For the past 4 years, Christchurch Council and Fulton Hogan have been working in Littleton's steep streets, repairing several earthquake-damaged retaining walls. Sumner Road required 5 different design needs and solutions. Enduring. Economical road bridges for quiet places, a partnership with Gympie Regional Council and Tonkin Consulting. Gympie Council used a combination of innovative products to turn them into bridges for sites with low traffic volumes. The Jack Morgan Park Upgrade Project Stage 1 by Sunshine Coast Council. This $1.3 million upgrade project was designed to revitalise a 2.6 hectare underutilised precinct to become the new civic heart of Coolum. Duncan Laneway, City of West Torrens. This previously unsealed laneway had no underground drainage infrastructure. Council used permeable paving and underground stormwater storage in an innovative and unconventional way to overcome these hurdles. Poplar Street Box Culvert, alternative material to RCBC, City of Charles Sturt. Poplar Street is in a residential area located within the Port Road stormwater catchment. A condition assessment of stormwater drains revealed that the box culvert was in poor condition and needed upgrading. Gin Gin Bridge Replacement Project, Murrindindi Shire Council. Gin Gin Bridge provides access across the Goulburn River to over 300 rural properties. The 1950 single-lane bridge was demolished and a new 73-metre dual-lane bridge was constructed with minimal disruption to access. The Esplanade, Stage 6, Mount Pleasant, City of Melville. Stage 6, between Mount Henry Bridge and Cranford Avenue, was the last in the upgrade of the redevelopment of the Canning River foreshore of the Esplanade. The redevelopment helped reduce vehicle speeds along the Esplanade and revitalise this popular area. The 2017 finalists for IPWEA Australasia Best Public Works Project between $2 million and $5 million are Wyong CBD Drainage Upgrade, Wyong Shire Council. Severe storms in 2007 resulted in significant CBD property and vehicle damage from chest-high floodwaters. Mitigation of such future events resulted in the design and construction of a new drainage system throughout the entire CBD of Wyong. Red Lynch Connection Path, Cairns Regional Council. Brinsmead and Red Lynch Valley are large suburban catchments that are close to each other but suffered from a lack of direct pedestrian linkages, resulting in significant traffic congestion during peak hours. This new pedestrian and cycle pathway has connected these 2 regions. Munna Point Bridge by Noosa Council, TOD Consulting and Marine and Civil Maintenance. In 1990, cracks appeared in 60 piles of the 1970s Munna Bridge. Noosa Council and TMR identified the cause as chloride attack and alkali silica reaction. MCM provided the solution in 2016, extending the bridge's life by 50 years for less than $3 million. Randolph Avenue Project, City of Unley. In 2013, the City of Unley had to remove 32 distressed elm trees and, with EPA assistance, established an award-winning demonstration site within an urban streetscape. 6th Street Revitalisation Project, Murray Bridge, the rural city of Murray Bridge. A team led by Jensen Plus and Tonkin Consulting envisioned and delivered a shared street environment retrofitted to refresh and stimulate Murray Bridge's art and cultural strip and the broader town centre. Aviation Park Development, Warrnambool City Council. New taxiways, hangar access roads, drainage and essential services facilitated investment in up to 20 additional hangar sites at the airport to meet latent and future demand from aviation-related businesses. Finalists for IPWEA Australasia's Best Public Works project over $5 million are Bankstown Library and Knowledge Centre, Bankstown City Council. Design and construction of the Library and Knowledge Centre has transformed the Bankstown Civic Precinct. What was previously an inactive ageing facility is now a reinvigorated and lively community hub. Hornsby Aquatic and Leisure Centre, Hornsby Shire Council. The new 50-metre outdoor pool, 25-metre indoor learn-to-swim pool, kiddies leisure pool, gymnasium and multifunction rooms have been constructed over a 112 car park basement. Lennox Bridge Parramatta Portals, City of Parramatta Council. Lennox Bridge was constructed in 1836. This upgrade involved 2 new portals through outer abutments to enable pedestrian and bicycle access along the river, conservation of existing and original bridge elements, landscaping, improved lighting, CCTV and complex augmentation to hidden aged infrastructure and services. Te Ara I Whiti, the Lightpath, New Zealand Transport Agency. The Lightpath has become a flagship for cycling in New Zealand, with 100,000 cyclists counted in the first 4 months. The Lightpath has reused and repurposed existing infrastructure and created a landmark for Auckland. Piccadilly North Road Upgrade Project, the Maranoa Regional Council and Road Tech. An important access road for rural properties and planned liquefied natural gas sites, the $9 million upgrade of Piccadilly North Road was successfully delivered through an innovative partnership between the Council and Road Tech. Toowoomba City Library and Civic Square Project, Toowoomba Regional Council. This revitalisation of Toowoomba's inner city transformed an unsealed car park into a high-use community hub. The copper-clad building includes library, multi-purpose rooms and basement car parking. Kurama Range Road, Cassowary Coast Regional Council. Steeped in history, Kurama Range Road was originally constructed in the 1930s to expand Queensland's timber production. After 8 years of closure, this project consisted of 19 kilometres of road reconstruction, rehabilitation of 11 timber bridges, drainage repairs and landslip rectification work. Outer Circulating Road Project, Toowoomba Regional Council and GHD. This project has provided significant safety and flood mitigation benefits to an area devastated by flooding in 2011 and has opened the door to future development opportunities. Mills Park Redevelopment, City of Gosnells. In 2011, Council reviewed Mills Park, Beckenham and found that infrastructure was reaching the end of its life cycle. Sporting fields were inefficiently configured, irrigation practices were unsustainable, and the natural environment was totally degraded. These challenges were all overcome in this major redevelopment. Mandurah Road Footbridge, City of Mandurah. Council and Main Roads WA determined that a footbridge that facilitates safe and convenient pedestrian and cyclist access between the east and west sides of Mandurah Road and the train station to connect the communities either side was essential infrastructure. Mandurah Aquatic and Recreation Centre development, including geothermal heating by the City of Mandurah. The City of Mandurah completed the $42 million redevelopment of its Aquatic and Recreation Centre. This was the largest asset renewal and expansion project undertaken by the city. Our next award is for Excellence in Asset Management. The finalists are Campbelltown City Council Sustainable Pavement Management Strategy. The Council has developed a sustainable pavement management strategy that optimises budget capacity and meets the local community's expectations for smooth and safe roads. Badham's Bridge Widening, Timaru District Council. The widening of Badham's Bridge maximised the remaining life that existed in the original structure. Scenic Rim Regional Council's Bridge Asset Management. Scenic Rim maintains 131 bridges, with most being timber and some over 60 years old. The project addresses the asset management of these structures to achieve a minimum acceptable service level. Empowering field-based work crews and implementing a customer-centric approach through maintenance management systems, Adelaide City Council. The mobile maintenance management system has enabled a live on-field data capture, which was instrumental in bringing about change. The system empowered crews to plan their work better by providing a helicopter view. River Torrens Linear Park, Strategic Integrated Asset Management Plan, Tonkin Consulting and City of Charles Sturt. This project was a collaboration by 9 councils. The project reviewed the condition of assets along the linear park and identified how the infrastructure could be improved for future users. The next Australasia Award is Excellence in Project Innovation. New Rockdale Library, Rockdale City Council. The objective was to create a purpose-built library in the town centre with improved accessibility, access to free Wi-Fi and computer services, meeting places and zones for local youth. Coffs Harbour Flood Warning System, Coffs Harbour City Council. Features include innovation in design and construction, extensive community engagement, and the responsible management of environmental challenges and considerations. Nambour Youth Activity Precinct and RSL War Memorial, Sunshine Coast Council. An underutilised site was transformed into a significant social community asset. The Activity Precinct and Skate Park is a modern urban street plaza themed with industrial and historical relics. TARDIS Software, making rainfall and stream level data accessible and useful. Townsville City Council. TARDIS is a web-based application which displays and archives rainfall and river level data with flood forecasting and asset management capabilities. TARDIS has been developed by a collaboration of Queensland councils. Engineering Shared Services Project, Northern Grampian Shire Council. This project provides experienced engineers for other councils for a fraction of the cost of consultants. With huge cost savings and greater staff satisfaction, the project has been a win-win-win for all 3 regional councils. Bolan Bolan Integrated Water Management Project, Manningham City Council. Bulleen is a significant integrated stormwater management initiative on Crown land, with 3 project partners of 2 councils and a school. Mills Park Redevelopment, City of Gosnells. The vision was to redevelop Mills Park into an iconic sporting and passive recreation hub that delivers multiple benefits to the community. We move now to water, and the large number of finalists prohibit us from giving project details. The 2017 finalists for excellence in a water project are Kayanga Sewage Treatment Plant Condition Assessment, Eurobodalla Shire Council. Bowraville Off-River Water Storage, Bores Project, Nambucca Shire Council. Timaru District-Wide Wastewater Strategy, Timaru District Council. Transformation of a water business, Mackay Regional Council. Georgetown Water Treatment Plant Design and Construction, Etheridge Shire Council, Richmond Shire Council and Aeromix. Richmond Water Treatment Plant Design and Construction, Richmond Shire Council and Aeromix. Marion Water Treatment Plant, Mackay Regional Council. Accelerated Capital Works Program, Western Downs Regional Council. Gordon Brook Water Treatment Plant Upgrade, South Burnett Regional Council. Kingaroy Wastewater Treatment Plant Upgrade, Australia's first Nerida Treatment Plant, South Burnett Regional Council. Alfred Street Pump Station Upgrade, Logan Water Infrastructure Alliance. Hargrave Street Stormwater Pump Station, Tonkin Consulting. The Gawler Water Reuse Scheme Hydro Plan, Gawler. Mitcham, the Water Sensitive City, Calibre Consulting. The 2017 finalists for IPWEA Australasia Excellence in Road Safety are Spreading the Word Local Government Road Safety, Wyong Shire Council. New DCPs provided an opportunity for Council to include road safety design elements. Roadside Drug Testing Program, New South Wales Police Force. New South Wales police officers are now able to conduct roadside driver drug testing across the state. Mount Ousley Dewatering System, New South Wales Public Works and RMS. The dewatering system provides improved stability to the M1 Princes Motorway at Mount Ousley. Free cuppa for the driver scheme, Parks, Forbes and Lachlan Shire Councils. 15 councils and 185 businesses partnered to provide 3,200 cuppas to visiting drivers. Dalby CBD Road Safety Review, Western Downs Regional Council. The review followed reports of near misses and safety issues identified by the community. Gold Coast Road Safety Plan, City of Gold Coast. A local framework plan now enables council and its community to contribute to local road safety improvements. Citywide Schools Traffic Safety and Parking Review. Tonkin Consulting, City of Norwood, Payneham and St Peters. 16 local schools identified traffic and safety concerns with recommendations to address these. Abattoirs Road Realignment and Widening, Port Pirie Regional Council. A road safety audit of each of 2 possible new road train routes was prepared to determine the safest. Our last project award is for Excellence in Environment and Sustainability. The finalists are Water for Our Community, City of Canada Bay. This stormwater harvesting scheme provides uncontrolled irrigation of 15 sports fields and 2 golf courses. Mobile Community Recycling Centre, Kempsey Shire Council. New South Wales' first mobile community recycling centre is a specifically designed trailer for the safe collection and transport of household problem wastes. Underdown Park renewal, City of Salisbury. Population growth has seen an additional 9 soccer teams, which will require land allocation of new sporting fields. Cowrie Community and Sports Centre, Sea Cliff Tennis Courts and Hockey Pitch. City of Holdfast Bay. Council is currently upgrading this hub into the new Cowrie Community and Sports Centre. Mills Park Redevelopment, City of Gosnells. The project was registered with the Green Building Council Australia and used their Green Star Public Buildings rating tool for validation. The Esplanade Stage 6 Mount Pleasant, City of Melville. A highly vegetated foreshore embankment meant the city had to ensure little to no encroachment into the river embankment.